Ready for reading and start. Mr. Chairman, sir, may I have the opportunity to participate in this debate? Question mark. This is a private member's bill and I want to congratulate the mover of this bill for having brought this bill full stop. A very important subject has been raised that right to work should be made a fundamental right, full stop. Right to work is the birthright of everybody, however poor or however rich, whether a man or a woman, full stop. Stanza. We have right to property as a fundamental right in our country, but it is really sad that right to work, which provides right to live, should not be made a fundamental right and should only be a directive principle, full stop. Why has this happened? Question mark. Why could it not be made a fundamental right till now? Question mark and stanza. It is known that once it becomes a fundamental right, it becomes justiciable, full stop. That means that a person can go to the High Court or Supreme Court and say that it is his fundamental right, full stop, and he must get a job, full stop. But as the government was not sure that it would be able to provide employment to every citizen, it did not do so, full stop. Because a fundamental right cannot be made only for a particular age group, it is for all citizens, and every unemployed citizen can come to the court and claim his right for a job to be given to him, full stop. That was the real apprehension, reluctance on the part of the government, but this helps us to raise a large economic issue of how we can create conditions in our country where every work-worthy person would have a job, full stop. It is this subject which is being debated, and this is what should be debated as the most important subject in the parliament and in the country today, full stop and stanza. Unfortunately, I find very few people taking interest in this, full stop. Today, if we just introspect and sit a little coolly and consider how much energy is being wasted on trying to win debating points, trying to be sensational, trying to have mere superficial debate in this country, we will find that we are doing that too much, full stop. But the real issue is how to provide employment to every young man of this country, because after all, what is socialism, full stop? When we say that we have pledged ourselves in the preamble that we will establish a democratic, socialist, secular, sovereign republic, what does it mean? Question mark, full stop and over.